Hey there, Python enthusiasts! Today let's dive into an essential topic, constructors and destructors in Python. By the end of this quick guide, you'll have a solid grasp on how to use them effectively in your code. First off, what's a constructor? In Python, it's the method. Whenever you create a new instance of a class, the constructor is called automatically. It's super handy for initializing your object's attributes. Let's see an example. Python class dog. My underscore dog =, dog, buddy 5, print my dog.name, hash outputs. Buddy simple, right? Now when is created, the method sets to buddy and to 5. Next up, destructors. These are a bit less common but still important. The destructor method in Python it's called when an object is about to be destroyed, which can be useful for cleanup tasks. Here's a quick example. Python class dog, my underscore dog =, dog, buddy 5, del my underscore dog hash outputs, buddy has been deleted. Remember though, Python's garbage collector usually handles memory management for you, so you won't need destructors often. And that's it, folks. You now know the basics of constructors and destructors in Python. Keep experimenting and happy coding. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Python tips. See you next time.